driving around in Mobile over this week and last week and probably into the next couple weeks too, you're going to see the amazing display of Japanese maples that we have around. You can see the line that's behind me. Is it this shoulder? This shoulder? This shoulder. You can see the Japanese maples behind me, and they are fresh with that bright red color. Now, of course, there's a lot of different colors of Japanese maples. There are some very chartreuse green, and the color that you see here is kind of an orangey, and they get into some really deep maroon colors. And this is their initial color. So you'll see this color for a while. We start to get into the summer, and they'll start to fade quite a bit, and you won't notice them as much, so they won't be as striking. And then as we get into the fall, that color will come back again. It'll be a little different, but just as striking. So if you're looking for a tree, now note that these are kind of large. I think we always think of Japanese maples as being small. They're not always small. The waterfall variety are going to stay small, but sometimes they do get big. The blood goods especially get really big, and sometimes we plant them too close to the house. So make sure you're doing your research about the Japanese maple that you decide for your yard, and let it give you that beautiful fall and spring color.